Hello and welcome back. In today's Black Excellist presentation, we will highlight the top 10 cities for African American entrepreneurs.
Welcome to BlackExcellist.com, the site where we celebrate Black excellence, opulence, and affluence. Our mission is to inspire you as we enlighten you.
As entrepreneurship in America continues to rise, cities such as DC, Atlanta, and even Memphis have become great places to cultivate new ideas and companies. African Americans currently own about 2.5 million businesses today, which reflects a 60% increase in Black businesses since 2002. And although challenges still remain, Black entrepreneurs are still innovating and making waves in their respective industries every day. If you're a Black entrepreneur and you don't live in one of the following 10 cities, you might want to consider relocating. Just kidding. But our research does reveal that there is a very strong minority leadership in these 10 cities as they demonstrate significant business growth, strong cultural ties, and impressive opportunities to understand African American communities. Additionally, all of these entrepreneurial hubs have very successful professional programs, hands-on training, and Black chambers of commerce to help boost entrepreneurship. In this original Black Excellist video, we will be featuring the top 10 cities for African American entrepreneurs. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Memphis, Tennessee. Memphis dethroned Atlanta as the best metro area for Black-owned business. Memphis has the lowest unemployment rate of the top 10 cities, and the city has its own Black Business Association. Memphis has a lot going for itself. In addition to music, film, and TV, Memphis excels in bioscience, green industry, and manufacturing. Number 2. Montgomery, Alabama. Montgomery has the highest percentage of Black businesses nationwide. Black-owned businesses are supported by the Alabama State Black Chamber of Commerce and Montgomery's Chamber of Commerce Minority Business Development Task Force. Montgomery has an extensive service industry, wholesale and retail trade, and a thriving industrial base that all contribute to the city's vibrant and well-balanced economic environment. Number 3. Atlanta, Georgia. With the second highest percentage of African Americans with college degrees, Atlanta is definitely one of America's most educated and fastest-growing cities. As it expands, jobs and opportunities will continue to wildly increase. Most of the economic vitality can be contributed to its thriving entertainment industry as it adds to its prosperity. While no longer holding the number 1 spot for the greatest metro area for Black businesses, Atlanta remains a powerful enclave for Black entrepreneurs. Number 4. Washington, D.C. The nation's capital toots the highest median income for Black residents nationwide and the highest growth rate of business startups over the last 5 years. Black entrepreneurs receive support from the National Black Chamber of Commerce, the Northern Virginia Black Chamber of Commerce, and BizLaunch, an entrepreneurship program. Ranking as one of the best-paying and millennial-friendly cities, DC is the place to rub elbows and do business with some of America's most influential people. Number 5. Savannah, Georgia. Savannah's rich jazz legacy attracts tourism, which has bolstered much of the Black business ownership in the oceanside city. The coastal city has significant industrial and economic activity. Besides the port, manufacturing, military, and tourism are important economic drivers for Black business owners in the city. It is also an important Black cultural hub, and the city's unique ambiance and transportation infrastructure make it an attractive place to live and do business.
We welcome your comments, thoughts, and insights. Feel free to comment below.
Number 6. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Baton Rouge's petrochemical industry has driven much of its business, as it has the 4th largest refinery in the US and 10th largest in the world. Considered a university town because of Louisiana State University, Baton Rouge makes available lots of valuable resources for entrepreneurs. It boasts a host of resources, from business incubators to technology parks, and a number of already established entrepreneurs. Number 7. Durham, North Carolina. Fueled by the country's largest research park, Research Triangle Park, and generations of results-driven entrepreneurs, Durham is a thriving Black business hub and entrepreneurial community. The Bull City has successfully transformed its 20th century business landscape, largely based on tobacco and textile products, to a thriving technology and research economy. A rich creative culture of artists, brewers, writers, and restaurants add yet another flavor of entrepreneurship. Number 8. Baltimore, Maryland. Although Baltimore took a financial hit with the loss of many manufacturing jobs, the survival of small businesses has increased in the last 5 years. The Baltimore Office of Sustainability offers support for Black entrepreneurs, having different programs specifically tailored for a variety of ideas. The city benefits from 2 things: commuters and the Chamber of Commerce. Commuters passing through provide consistent and steady business, while the Chamber provides cheap advertisement and many state incentives for businesses. Number 9. Miami, Florida. Miami and the Fort Lauderdale area has experienced the best of 3 worlds in the last 2 years. 1. Median annual income for Black residents has increased significantly. 2. Cost of living index has decreased. And 3. Unemployment has also decreased. Besides this, Miami is ranked in first place nationwide in startup activity. Its entrepreneurial spirit is quite high. For every 100 people, there are 14 Black or minority-owned businesses. Number 10. Richmond, Virginia. With the second highest average annual revenues for Black-owned businesses, Richmond's history of Black entrepreneurship secured its inclusion on this top 10 list. The Jackson Ward neighborhood is commonly referred as the birthplace of Black capitalism and is considered the second Black Wall Street after the Greenwood District in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
We are the largest community of Black luxury enthusiasts in the world. Secure your membership by subscribing to our channel today so that you will become the first to know when we release our next featured video.